What if your learners could choose what they pay for your course, without you having to give up control of the price? That's exactly what the LifterLMS Name Your Price add-on lets you do. You set a minimum, add a suggested price to guide learners, and optionally set a maximum. Your learner can then choose an amount within those bounds. Someone who can't afford your standard price may still enroll, while someone who really values your work can even pay more. Instead of one fixed choice, pay this amount or don't enroll, you can offer more flexibility while keeping control of what you're prepared to accept. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how it works. The Name Your Price add-on adds flexible pricing to LifterLMS courses and memberships. You create an access plan where learners choose how much to pay within boundaries that you set. For example, let's say $40 is the lowest I'll accept, and $100 reflects the course's true value, and the $200 optional maximum if I don't want people to overspend or go overboard, just in terms of leveling their expectations. The maximum is of course optional, so I could leave it open if I wanted supporters to contribute more or as much as they want to, and if you set the minimum to 0, the same feature can become a genuine pay what you can offer, allowing someone who can't afford to contribute to still enroll. If you're not quite sold on flexible pricing, let's talk about that for a minute. Why would you use flexible pricing to begin with? Well, there are a few reasons. You can make your education more accessible across different budgets, let learners contribute what they can to a nonprofit or community program, or give an international audience flexibility when one fixed price feels very different from place to place around the world. And if you've built a community that values your work, some learners will pay more than your standard price when given the opportunity to do so. The Name Your Price add-on can also help with price discovery. If you're launching something new and you're not sure what people are prepared to pay, you can provide a suggested price and see what your customers actually choose. To get started, simply install the add-on in your WordPress dashboard. Under LifterLMS, add-ons and more, find Name Your Price. Hit install, apply, and then activate, and then apply once again. Then open up your course or membership and scroll down to the Access Plans section, and then select the Name Your Price option. I'll call this plan Pay What You Can, and I'll change the button to Choose My Price so it's immediately clear to the learner or student that's about to enroll that this isn't a normal fixed price plan. I also want to explain why I'm giving them that choice. Choose the amount that works for you. Paying the suggested price supports the continued development of this course, while higher contributions help us make reduced cost access available to more learners. That gives the learner some context instead of simply presenting them with an unfamiliar price field. And next, here's where we can decide how much flexibility you're comfortable offering. Let's say I don't want to sell this course for less than $40 in our example earlier, so I'll set $40 as the minimum. I normally value the course at $100, so I'll use that as the suggested price. That gives the learner a useful reference point instead of asking them to invent a price from scratch. For this example, I'll also set a maximum of $200, but that part is entirely optional. If I'm happy for supporters to contribute more, I can leave the maximum empty. And once I save the plan, I've now created a flexible pricing option where the learner themselves have a choice, while I still control the range. Now let's switch sides and see what this looks like to a learner. Here's our course with the Name Your Price access plan we just created. The learner can see the minimum price, the suggested amount we've provided, and the Name Your Price field where they can make their choice. At the moment, our form shows our suggested price of $100, but the learner can enter a different amount, let's say $70. The displayed price now shows $70, and the learner can continue to check out at the amount that they've chosen. Now let's try something outside of the range. Our minimum was $40, so the learner can't continue if they just enter $20. The boundaries we set are, of course, enforced, giving the learner flexibility without taking away our control over what we're prepared to accept. Now, there is another version of this that's particularly useful for nonprofits, charities, community projects, and mission-driven educators. And that is Pay What You Can pricing. I mentioned it very briefly at the start of this video, but simply put, set the minimum to 0. That means that somebody who genuinely can't afford to pay can even enter 0 and still enroll. In that situation, LifterLMS treats it as a free enrollment, so the learner doesn't have to choose a payment gateway or enter any payment information whatsoever. Other learners can still contribute whatever makes sense for them, perhaps $25 or $50, while a strong supporter might decide to pay $100. The same access plan can therefore work for learners with very different circumstances. All this to say, Name Your Price works with recurring access plans too. If you normally charge $20 a month for a membership, you can set a minimum monthly contribution, suggest an amount, and let each member choose. Their chosen amount becomes the recurring charge, while you control the billing schedule. The LifterLMS Name Your Price add-on is available as a standalone add-on, as well as on our Earth, Universe, and Infinity bundles. If flexible pricing makes sense for your course, membership, or organization, check it out and give your learners another way to say yes and get started. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.